Hi, this is Paul. Once again, welcome to a short video about what I think are some useful Google Chrome extensions. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about one called Pablo. So this is kind of a bit of a, if you've used Canva for graphics and image manipulation for social media and website design, it's a bit like a very basic version of that, but it's free and it's very useful. So let's dive straight in. Okay, so I'm on the Google Images page. I'm going to look for some images of people. Let's pick that one there. So what I do is I right click over the image, click open the image with Pablo. And then as you can see, it's put the image here already. Now you can select different formats, portrait, Instagram is square, landscape, different social media channels, as you probably know, have different image requirements. So we'll leave that on rectangular, which is like a landscape mode. You can decide what elements of text you want, so headlines, body text, you can add a caption. So header, you just double click, type some, text. You can change the color, of course. Let's make that green, make it bold, make it bigger. And then what you wanted to do, or what you can do, if you want to add a logo, you can do that. So we'll insert a logo. I'm just going to pick a random image from my downloads folder here. Let's have a look. Extra large icons. What can I use here? Let's pretend that's a logo. And you can just drag it to wherever you want it, which is pretty good. So there you go. That's pretty much it. There are various other things you can do, but I think the good thing is that I've introduced you to this plugin, or rather Chrome extension. But what you can do from here, of course, is you can share it with your social media channel. So you can share that straight into Facebook if you wish. So there, I was going to share that on my newsfeed. I won't do that now, but it just shows you can prepare an image with some text very quickly and very easily and post it straight away from Pablo. So I think that's very, very handy. I'm going to close that there. And that's pretty much it. So that's Pablo. I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful. And thanks for watching.